Hi students, in this video we will discuss a sorting technique called Radix Sort, or it is called as bucket sort. Radix means the type of data what we are considering, the base of that data. If you are considering binaries, then base is 2. If normal numbers you are taking like 10, 20, 30, then it is base 10. Like that, base here it is nothing but radix. So that's why the name called as a radix sort. Now, why it is called as bucket sort? Now we are considering buckets to sort the elements. Here bucket is nothing but an array. Don't imagine bucket means we will take one bucket, something we will insert into the bucket. Not like that. Bucket is nothing but simply an array. Okay, by using an array based on the base, we will sort the elements. That's why the name here it is called as radix sort. Simple. So now, example, how the elements are sorted using bucket sort technique. Now see, for example, the elements are 18, 256, 99, 3, 44, 36. And if you observe, radix or base of this number is 10, so 10 buckets are considered. Based on the radix, those many number of buckets are considered. See, I am taking the buckets. So 0, 10 buckets, base 10, 0 to 9. Don't take from 1 to 10. Okay. So first iteration, 0th bucket, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. Now consider one by one. First element is 18. So based on one's place digit, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Based on one's place digit here, we will insert that number into the bucket. So 18. Next number 256. So one's place digit is 6. So 256. 99. 99, ninth bucket. 3 is placed here. 44, here it is placed. 36 in 6th bucket. See, already 256 is there. So this is like an array. 36 is inserted. Okay. So now, like that the elements are inserted into the respective bucket based on one's place digit. So now, second iteration. In the second iteration, take the order of these elements, not this order. Consider this order of elements. So 3 and then 44. Next number 256, 36, 18, 99. Same. Consider this order of elements and again consider as usual base is 10. So 10 buckets. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, here tens place digit. Here there is no tens place digit. Now consider it as 0. So 3 is placed here. 44, tens place digit is 4. So insert in 4th bucket. 256, tens place digit is 5. So 256. 36, tens place digit is 3. Here it is placed. 18, tens place digit is 1. So 18. 99, 9 is the 9th tens place digit. So 99. That's all. Now coming to next iteration. Now take this order of elements, not the original array. 3, 18, 36, 44, 256 and 99. Consider this and then insert. Like that you may get out how many times we will do. So we will do 3 times. Why? Because the maximum number in the array is 256, which consisting of 3 digits like ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So we will do this process of 3 iterations. Okay, so now 0th bucket, first bucket, second bucket, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Give bucket numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, there is no hundreds place. 3 is placed here. Next 18, there is no hundreds place. That's why 0 in 0th bucket. See 36, there is no hundreds place. 36. 44, there is no hundreds place. 44. 256. So in second bucket. Then 99, no hundreds place. So here it is 99. So how the elements are arranged. Now coming to remove the elements. Okay. So from bottom to top we have to write 3, 18, 36, 44, 99, 256. See your sorted order. So this is the way of sorting the elements by considering the number of buckets. Remember, the number of buckets depending on the radix, on what type of data they have given. Based on that we have to consider the number of buckets. If the data is binary means only zeros and ones, so only 2 buckets we will consider. Like that, based on the base we will consider the number of buckets. Hope you understand, students. Have a great day. Bye.